Okay, so this, with what Helen and Giles do, they're financial advisors, right?
Okay.
And there's like a proper, it's almost like a review site. But everyone answers the same questions. All right, what could they have done better? Whether it's Helen and Giles or some other financial company in the UK. So what could they have done better? I'll let you have a bit of a read of that. I'll scroll down. And then how did Helen help you? And let's see how many words are in that. I mean, let's include 218 if you took out these little bits of bullshit. Let's call it still 218. To 127.
So cut it in half, really.
Almost in half. So from that testimonial, this is what I wrote.
And I'm seeing the words that you picked up in there that were pretty important: the pension minefield, transparency, bland annual review, faceless person, too busy, twice yearly reviews. Those were the words that I picked up in the testimonial.
Yeah.
That sounded important, and they were, and you've highlighted them.
Yeah. And so they had like 70, at the time they had about 73 on this review site, 73. So I said to Giles, go through and pick sort of like a top 40. And then they paid Jamie $50 each to turn around. But it takes time, right? But it's, especially when it's a much longer document, to weed through and go, how can I take that and condense it, pick up the main points, and then word it in such a way that I haven't lost the message and get that point across.